Welcome back to my channel, guys. First time here, please smash the like and subscribe to my channel. You know, we're not dumbass investors on this channel. We don't FOMO, and we're not on that bullshit. Anyways, guys, ETF today. This is the first day of the Ethereum ETF, and like I said earlier this morning, I called it. I knew we were gonna dump, but there were some underlying issues to this dump, guys. Let me get on into it. First of all, Bitcoin is right around 66. Fear and greed index at 63. We're still kind of like almost in green territory there. So people are starting to feel more bullish, guys. Yeah, let's talk about the ETH ETF. Ether ETF volumes top 1 billion on day one. Guys, nearly half of the volume came from Grayscale's Ethereum Trust and could thus represent outflows. Yeah, so most of these, there could be a lot of outflows also in this, but let me just read this real quick. Investors traded over 1 billion worth of shares of the freshly launched Ether exchange traded fund. Issuers on the first day of their availability. Data from Bloomberg shows. Trading volume simply represents the dollar, blah, blah, blah. We know what it means. All right, let me just scroll on down. The spot Bitcoin ETF. All right, this is just basically bullshit. I don't need to read all this. All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't feel like reading all that because I have a lot to run through on this video. But yeah, guys, there was something I want to read off here. Yeah, with the overall trading volume maxing out at over 1 billion, the fund saw roughly 20% of the trading volume that the spot Bitcoin ETF experienced on launch in January. So they saw 20% of the trading volume that the Bitcoin ETF did. Okay, and this is one reason why we dumped today. This is a reason, guys. Why, you know, something to watch out for. The bears are creeping. They're looking to put us back on the chopping block, boys. But we're not gonna do it, you know. Even if we are, we're gonna accumulate, you know. Accumulation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I keep on bleeding. You know. You gotta keep accumulating when we get these dumps, guys. You're gonna be glad you did this shit. You know, I've been telling myself this for a while. Sometimes it's hard, but it's true, you know, especially if you're buying when the fear and greed index was like in 29, you know, like close to extreme fear. That's when you really buy, you know, that's when you really buy. Anyways, let me start with this article, guys. Mount Gox creditors start receiving Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash on Kraken. This was 1:19 p.m. today. The payout comes after Kraken received 48,641 Bitcoin, valued at over 3 billion, from the Mount Gox Rehabilitation Trustee last week to give to creditors. Creditors of the collapsed crypto exchange Mount Gox have begun receiving Bitcoin and Bitcoin transfers of the crypto exchange Kraken, according to a Telegram group of Mount Gox creditors. The block also confirmed one payout with the source. Payout comes after Kraken received 48,601, valued over 3 billion, from the Mount Gox trustee on July 16th to disseminate to creditors. That's a weird word. Sorry, don't think I've seen that word before. The block previously reported the exchange expected creditors to retrieve their funds within 1 to 2 weeks. Guys, these motherfuckers are going to be selling, if that's expected. This is somewhat bearish. And also, we might have another Germany 2.0 situation on our hands. Let me talk about that real quick. That's Mount Gox news. Let me talk about the U.S. government possibly dumping Bitcoin. U.S. moves Bitcoin worth 4 million. Sell-off fears mount once again. Not again, guys, you know. Back to the fucking trenches. Yeah, back to the trenches, you know? Maybe, maybe. There's Uncle Sam wanting to sell your Bitcoin. He wants to sell your BTC. He can sell it right on to me. I don't give a fuck. All right, let me read this real quick, guys. And the U.S. government starting to sell its Bitcoin holdings. Recent data suggests that this could be a possibility that could lead to another massive wave of sell pressure. Dude, no, you know? U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump's support for Bitcoin may have built up some confidence regarding the U.S. government's BTC holdings. This comes after German government's decision to offload their Bitcoin, an outcome many criticized. Recent development points to the possibility the U.S. might sell their Bitcoin. Guys, it's a possibility they might do that, you know? Trump's big on Bitcoin, and they might dump Bitcoin to make him look bad. Who knows? The U.S. elections are still 3 months out. This means the current administration has ample time to dump their BTC holdings within that time. No, don't do it. So far, there's no confirmation of that intent, although the recently moved funds might be offers as an indication. What could be the extent of the potential fallout? Okay, look at what Germany did. That brought Bitcoin down to 53,000. The U.S. holds over 4 times that amount, hence a sale of all or even half of its Bitcoin holdings would be more severe. That is indeed a fucking fact, boys. I'm ready to stop seeing I'm ready to get out of the trenches already. I don't know, maybe they could potentially dump their Bitcoin holdings and trying to make Trump look bad. Who the fuck knows? Who knows? Who the fuck knows? I really hope that the U.S. government doesn't dump their Bitcoin. No, honestly, the U.S. government needs to be stacking Bitcoin, not dumping it. You know, we need. The U.S. is in trouble right now, guys. We honestly need Trump. We really do. But let me keep going here. That's all. And U.S. government selling fucking billions of dollars of Bitcoin news. Here's something else I saw kind of bullish. All right. Made me bullish on Trump. Bullish as fuck. Bullish as fuck. But crypto gamblers have bet 44 million on Trump winning in November. Hey, that's a good bet, boys. I'd say so. Crypto traders are increasingly betting on the outcome of the 2024 presidential election on Polymarket, a popular crypto gambling platform. More than 44 million has been put behind Donald Trump's emerging victorious this fall, while 25 million is being pumped into the live bets that Vice President Kamala Harris will win. At the time of writing, the gambling site allows users to spend as little as 65 cents to place a bet in either direction, while voting no costs a relatively steeper fee of 68.4 cents for Harris and only 36 for Trump. Guys, so people are banking on Trump winning. Okay? You know? That's bullish. It's bullish, boys. I'm ready to send these bears in the fucking trenches, you know? Ready to send them running. In the fucking trenches, you bear. Alright. Here is something I saw that kind of caught my attention, though. Now, the Democrats realize that Trump is getting a lot of a voter base with his pro-crypto stance. And Kamala Harris isn't fucking 82 years old or whatever and has somewhat of a cognizance awareness of what's going on. So her administration wants to, I guess, sway some of those people from the Republicans voting for Trump because of the crypto stuff, you know? They're trying to start changing their tune a little bit on the crypto because she knows she's going to be in trouble if she doesn't. And this is good for us, you know? I mean, if Trump wins, that's even better. But at least if he loses, we know that at least we're still in a somewhat crypto-friendly atmosphere, you know? Although, be it the tax implications and going along with the Democrats' platform is shitty as fuck compared to Trump's, you know? Possibly getting rid of payroll taxes and capital gains taxes and shit versus like highest increase in fucking U.S. history. Guys, anything over $1 million don't get it twisted, guys. These people don't want you to get rich, okay? If you're someone like me and you plan on being a millionaire off of investments, their administration wants you to pay 44%, 44.5% actually, on anything over $1 million. 44%. So say you made $1 million, right? You have to give him $444,000. That is fucking what? You know? Fuck that, bro. No one's trying to do all that, bro. No one is trying to pay almost half of what they make, bro. Trying to keep people poor. Just don't get it twisted, guys. The Democrats are not friendly about putting money in your pocket, especially if you're not poor and you want to be rich, or you're already rich. Anyways, let me just read a little bit of this. Vice President Kamala Harris hasn't focused much on crypto in her political career, but as crypto has become a political topic in this election year, it seems she's doing her homework now. Okay. Entrepreneur and Bitcoin enthusiast Mark Cuban stated in an interview with Decrypt that the Harris camp had contacted him with questions about crypto. And I quote, "I'm getting multiple questions from her camp about crypto," end quote. He told Decrypto. So I take that as a good sign. The feedback I'm getting, but certainly not confirmed by the VP, is that she will be far more open to business, artificial intelligence, crypto, and government as a service, Cuban added, trying to compete with Trump. The Harris camp seems to be trying to ensure that the candidate can curry a favor with crypto enthusiasts ahead of this November's election. Donald Trump, the Republican presidential nominee, seems to have a head start in that department. He already declared himself as the crypto candidate, guys. Harris is no stranger, blah, 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 blah. Crypto meeting wants to hear from Harris. Oh my God. What is my computer doing? It's freezing. Guys, what's going on? What is going on here? Oh, wow. I guess there's a Kamala Harris coin that launched that's up 4,000%. Honestly, guys, I will never support some shit like that. I'm sorry. It's not good for mine, for me and my family, or you guys, honestly. You're voting for somebody that's gonna shit on you in taxes. Oh, we're gonna do this and that. We're crypto friendly, but we're gonna take half your gains. That's still not cool, man. You know? That's still not cool. This election is more about financial freedom versus, you know, the basically leftist agenda. To me, that's how I view it, guys. My financial freedom versus being poor. You know, that's a fucking very easy choice to me. Very easy choice. But yeah, let's talk about Donald Trump speaking in the Bitcoin conference. What is going on here? This computer is trash. Guys, when I take profits, I'm going to record myself blowing this computer up with a brand new 12 gauge that I get, honestly. Oh, man, I can't wait for that. Okay, Trump expected to deliver a potentially historic message at Nashville Bitcoin Conference. Guys, I don't even want to read all this article, because all the rumors and stuff that you've been hearing on Twitter and YouTube, Facebook, and all this stuff about Trump announcing the Bitcoin as a U.S. Treasury asset. Dude, he has a 30-minute speech. And the guy's pro-Bitcoin as fuck. He's building a crypto fucking elite army. He wants us to be number one in crypto all across the board. He wants all the Bitcoin to be mined here. He wants all the biggest Bitcoin players, crypto companies here. He wants all of them building. He wants all of it here. He wants to make America a fucking powerhouse in the future of finance, guys. That's something to be bullish on, you know? And he's speaking for 30 minutes on Nashville. And I just wanted to say that. There's something else. Guys, this is something I just want to play real quick. Oh, okay. Let me talk about this first. This is like a day old. Bitcoin did top 68K right when Biden dropped out, guys. Right when Biden dropped out. That just shows how ready the market is for change, you know? Like any news of Biden losing and news of Trump potentially winning, Bitcoin just fucking starts ripping, you know? We don't want 4 more years of Biden, bro. Basically, Kamala Harris is Obama 2.0. So we don't need that, you know? The United States needs like financial structure. We can't, what we're doing, even Jerome Powell said it's unsustainable. Printing money, making $1 trillion of new debt every 100 days, guys. What the fuck, you know? Is that really what you guys want? More inflation, more taxes, government money going to stupid shit that we don't even benefit us, you know? Hello, look at this. Even when the news of Biden dropping out spiked Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin doesn't even want them to win. Bitcoin doesn't even want the Democrats to win, bro. Yeah. Yeah, but anyways, I don't even need to read that because I basically just explained what it was. Moving on. This is what I want to talk about Arcblock real quick. I saw this. I guess they're in Japan right now. During my visit to Japan, this is Robert Mao, the CEO of Arcblock. During my visit to Japan, I'll be meeting with Jetro Invest JP to discuss establishing our Japan office and exploring new opportunities. We have open positions in Japan for engineering and sales marketing roles. Please DM me or send me an email. Crypto Arcblock.io. Guys, Japan is becoming a big player in the crypto industry, guys. They are, you know, they've really been coming out lately, kind of like the US has, with all this SEC lightening up and stuff. Arcblock expanding into Japan is just bullish for Arcblock, honestly, you know? They're expanding, that's like their adoption, you know? The price is going to follow this stuff, guys. They're building partnerships, they're growing. They're doing their thing. Here's something, what is this Arcblock Twitter I was looking at? What was I looking at? Alright. I'm just trying to see, pull this up real quick to see. He's in like Japan or something right now. I don't even know what I was looking at. Anyways, let me just talk about this real quick. This is something dope. I want to play this video. This was in Las Vegas, or yeah. They put the Bitcoin ad on the this LA Sphere thing. This is pretty cool. That's so fucking cool. I don't know, guys. I just thought that was cool. That I would share it, you know. But yeah, moving on to the next thing I want to talk about. Here we go with the interest rate decisions. We have a Fed meeting next week. A week from today, actually. It's in 7 days. It might be in 8 days, or I think. Anyways, next Fed meeting. Yeah, 7 days. Okay. They're not going to do anything this meeting. Okay. There's 4% chance of them easing. So, yeah, I don't think the market's already pretty much got this priced in, guys. But the September meeting, here we go. Look at the percentage on this one, boys. 91. Let's see. On here it says 95.2, and that says 91. Oh, then that's something else. 95.2% chance ease, guys. That's why if you're feeling bearish right now, don't, you know, because when they cut interest rates, that's basically cutting the money printer on, you know. They cut the money printer on, what happens? They prop the market up. They're going to have to do this shit to win the election, guys. They always do this election year. They always print money. They're always doing this, you know. Yeah, they're always doing it, dude. But let's look at the economic calendar for this week, because there's a lot of shit going on. I know I talked about it. I made a little video this morning. my truck, but I actually wanted to pull it up for you guys. Let's see, it's 24th. Tomorrow we got advanced U.S. trading goods, S&P flash to U.S. services. Nothing really too big. New home sales might move the markets a little bit. That's at 10 o'clock. I don't know, nothing really moving markets like that. But Thursday Q2 GDP, that's definitely going to move markets, guys. Definitely. And then the initial jobless claims at the same time. That's a weekly report that comes out every week. And then Friday, wow, PCE on Friday. So this week is fucking huge. Now let's look at next week. That's the Fed meeting week. What day is that on? That is on next Wednesday. So guys, be prepared for that. Some big volatility. We could get a nice poopy dumpy dump, or we could rip faces off. Who the fuck knows, you know? Just know that this is it's a rocky road in crypto, guys. If you're new, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It surely isn't, because unless you're patient, you're not going to be making it in the space at all. Yeah, you're not going to make it in crypto unless you're like super duper patient, because you got to deal with bullshit all the time. It's a volatile space, guys. Speculative speculation, you know? There's just now coming out and saying that Bitcoin is a legitimate asset. Larry Fink came out and said that the other day. Guys, just stay positive, man. You know? I know altcoins have been getting fucked. I'm not gonna lie. Right in the trenches. We've still been in the trenches. Bitcoin has got a health pack. It's slowly recovering, but the altcoins are trailing behind Bitcoin. Got a fucking multiple gunshot wounds, arrows in the ankle, and they're still, you know, they're getting flanked. They got mortars zeroing in on them. The Jerome Powell drones approaching next week. We could get hit with a big fat Jerome Powell drone, guys. You got to keep that in mind. He might come out and be like, well, we're not confident about any goddamn interest rate cuts at all this year. You never know. Or he could surprise everyone and cut interest rates. Or he couldn't do shit and just do what everyone's already got priced in and cut rates in September. You know? You know? But when that happens, guys, that is insane how much shit we have going on. Everybody's flipping bullish on Bitcoin. Now we have an Ethereum ETF, soon to be in a Solana ETF, especially if Trump administration wins. He's going to have in the SEC, I don't even know what's going on with Gary Gensler. I've heard that he's leaving, or I don't know what he's doing. He probably got fucking tired of everybody hating on him because he's a little bitch. But he needs to go anyway, guys. He was a nuisance for the space. He was like a pimple on someone's ass. Like every time you sit on the toilet, he had something to fucking say. Oh, you're a security. You know, get the fuck away, dude. Pop the pimple, clean the juice up, and throw it in the trash, throw it in the toilet, and flush that motherfucker. You know? That's how I feel about Gary Gensler, bro. Get the fuck out of here so I can buy a fucking nice house, you know? Crypto, bro. Stop the bullshit. Everybody on this channel, I want buying a house. I want all you guys buying a new house. Just increasing your quality of life. And that's why I do kind of talk a lot of politics on here, guys, because it's fucking important. And if you say it isn't, you're just lying to yourself. Okay? If you have someone in charge that's just debasing the currency, and you don't care, and you have an opportunity to vote against somebody that isn't, guys, when they debase the currency, it actually does affect you. Unless you increase your income every year to match inflation, it's fucking affecting everything. Every time you put gas in the truck, every time you pay your bills. If they're debasing the currency, it's going to consistently increase. Fucking fast. Inflation is not supposed to be like it is right now, guys. 2%. That's what it's supposed to be at. Not fucking 9, 10, 30%, whatever the fuck. Those numbers are lies. It's realistically like 30% a year. If you look at how much shit has increased, yeah, it's way more than that little bullshit number they make up, guys. So you need to wake up and realize how much money this guy actually has been printing, shipping it over to Ukraine, putting it in stupid programs that don't even benefit American citizens, like illegal immigrants coming across the border and getting debit cards with $10,000 in fucking hotel rooms and shit, you know? I'd rather my money go to some homeless guy here, or a disabled veteran, or somebody's fucking financial aid for school. I don't care about these people that come here. Like, I don't have a problem with that stuff, but guys, they're coming here by the droves and taking advantage of the system. And now it's a fucking problem. Uh, it really is. When you have millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of motherfuckers just taking taxpayer dollars and making them disappear, then they're not even U.S. citizens, you know? Nowhere else in the world that happens. Nowhere else. Look at fucking Germany and all these other countries, dude. Even Canada. You can't even get in Canada if you have a DUI. Okay? But okay, you can walk right in here and fucking do whatever you want and get a debit card with 10 grand and a fucking place to stay. Free healthcare. That is crazy. And we are paying for it. That's really fucking annoying. We really need Trump. It's crazy, man, because I've seen videos of these guys. You know, if you want to come here, cool, but like, when they do this, so many of them, that's just not good. It's becoming an actual problem. It's like increasing human trafficking and like drugs and terrorism coming here. All this shit, guys. It's not good. Nowhere else in the world can you just walk in somewhere like it's a fucking Walmart. No one, you know? It's wild to me. But anyways, guys, if you're getting any value from me, please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, with that being said, I'm about to